Greetings, my friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here, with a handful of strength. I got the all-seeing eye, the all-knowing eye, the tiger's eye. Mother Nature knew what she was doing when she put tiger's eye on this planet. And it's to help you, it's to help me. Those limits, keeping you from becoming the person you want to be, the person you were put on this planet to be. Say goodbye to them, because tiger's eye is an incredible tool for building your inner strength, the stone of perseverance so you can achieve your goals, stone of courage, stone of improved insight and intuition, and incredible beauty. But enough of me yapping about it. Let's take a closer look at one of these incredible healing wonders that you'll receive from CosmicCuts.com. Let's go, friends. Yes, my friend. Tiger's eye in all of its glory. The all-seeing eye. The all-knowing eye. Absolutely incredibly powerful gemstone. Gemstone of courage. Gemstone of strength. Known to improve your intuition. Known to improve your insight. Here it is in all of its natural glory. You can see when the sun hits it right, with this gorgeous luminescent stripes. They exude right from the heart of Mother Nature. Sensational. Can't say enough about tiger's eye. Truly a super tool for spiritual healing. And when you get it from CosmicCuts.com, you know it's high quality, you know it's incredibly powerful, and you know you're getting the goods. This world-class healing gemstone, more world-class crystal specimens, sage, palo santo, healing collection bags, amethyst geodes, you name it, my friends. CosmicCuts.com is going to be your one-stop shop for spiritual healing and crystal wonder. Have an incredible day. You deserve it.